This is to respectfully inform the Honorable Committee Chairman that suspect Matthew is currently remanded in our custody on court order. The Nigerian police force may not be able to produce the suspect as requested in view of the subsisting court order. The Nigerian police force acknowledges the constitutional oversight powers of the National Assembly and remain committed to cooperating with the committee in the discharge of its mandate. However, in this case, it will be appreciated if the reproduction warrant could be sought from the court of competent jurisdiction to enable police comply with this request.
To convey the administrative court to the Permanent Secretary, State House, and not to the so-called agency.
Where is the letter?
The letter is here, sir. Conveyed to the Permanent Secretary, State House. And the idea behind this, or the justification behind this, was so that if it is not from there, the whole thing will be unraveled.
He wrote a letter for you asking for court from Villa, and you replied the State House office that does not exist, and you did not take the letter to the office, to the Villa. As the same Adeyemi, Prince, that needed state court, that needed court for the budget, was the person that received the letter you wrote to State House. How does that make sense to you?
Immediately I saw it, I knew it was not. Moreover, Mr. Chairman, I'm also a certified legal drafter.
So the act was not original, it was fake?
Yes, I noticed that. Well, the letter of appointment, I will not be able to say, because when I looked at it, it had the State House logo, and I wasn't immediately in a position to compare with other similar letter-headed paper.